You're about to see how people are making over $1,000 a month, completely passively, using ChatGPT and one free website. No experience, no marketing degree, just one simple product. Check this out. Reddit user Side Hustle Guy posted that he made $1,180 in 28 days selling digital templates generated with AI. And here's the kicker. He never even built a website. This method combines 3 free tools. ChatGPT for content, Canva for simple design, Gumroad for selling with 0 upfront cost. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Find a digital product. Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 10 digital product ideas that are useful for freelancers or students." Let's say it gives you freelance proposal templates or time-blocking planners. Pick one and ask ChatGPT to generate the base content for you. Boom, you've got the boring part handled. Step 2. Make it look good. Now paste that content into a free Canva template. Just pick something minimal, clean, and professional. In less than 5 minutes, you've got a slick digital product. Export as PDF, done. Step 3. Sell it passively. Upload your finished PDF to Gumroad. Set your price, $9, $15, whatever feels fair. Write a super simple description, add a cover image, and you're live. No coding, no store setup, just upload and go. Step 4. Promote without ads. Share it in 2 places, Reddit in r/freelance or r/notion, and Twitter with a visual preview and the link. Even 3-5 buyers a week adds up fast. Scaling up. Now imagine you have 10 of these. That's $100, $200 a week while you sleep, all with tools that didn't exist 5 years ago. Want me to walk you through a live setup of this exact system? Comment, show me below, and I'll make that the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more real-world finance tactics that actually work in 2025.